Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expression Studio Gallery with a 10 by 10 inch canvas, some Meeden black paint, and a desire to swipe. And I might indulge myself in my recent preoccupation with spatula swiping. I'm trying to offset this so it's not in the center. I would like to wipe that spatula off and use it. I keep a damp studio rag, it's very handy. This might be weird. I have a new Prizm pour color, Acetate Gold, that I tried to put in a squeeze bottle, so we'll see how that works. And other new Prizm pour colors that I love, and I'm going to try the Poinsettia. With the pink diamond. Looks like I got another color in there. And I really want the Claret. I might be sorry though. What else? Anything else? I have this beautiful galaxy pour. I think it's going to be something else. That's the Poinsettia. I have this Papillon, which is a Bling Prizm pour powder. Excuse me, it's a Bling pigment powder. I think that's pretty much it. Let's go for it. Okay, I've got black on my spatula. Maybe I need a little less purple. But we'll see. I usually find that more is better. But I'm just getting used to these spatula pours. I'm inclined to just keep scraping. Scrape the rest of that off of there. They seem to work really, the spatulas seem to work really well. I really want to use some gold. I want to use some white. I went right into the other side, and that's okay with me. I'm not incapable of double swiping, so I'm going to use some black. And I still have plenty of black on there. Just going to scrape it right off. I like the organic look of stripes. When they're not symmetrical. I do. That pale blue Papillon powder is going to be awesome. I want to use some of my paint that I have in my dish. Well, that's pretty. I like it. It's not necessarily what I was expecting. Everything wants some orange. That's some Egyptian coin. I'm quiet because I'm focused. It looks different than I was expecting, but it's still pretty neat, to say the least. Makes me want to experiment more though. You know what? I've got gold. I want a smaller tool than that tool. Doesn't look like I'm going to get it. So I'll just use what I've got. Try some more of that Aztec gold. I just wanted a little bit more gold in there. A little tiny bit of orange, never hurt anybody. That's got vivid polypore mixed into it. I kind of like that actually a lot more than I was expecting to. I love using my little acetate tools too. If I don't include the acetate tool production, whoops, if I don't include the video, just ask me for it and I'll give you the link. All my videos are organized by topic and genre and by the 100. So if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me and I'll help you out. I just want some of that orange. I like that orange in there a lot. And I'm done. So please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate that. Thank you for all the wonderful, kind comments and words of encouragement. Keep my morale boosted. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting and creating tutorials. If you would like to help the studio out, check out the 20% off promo code underneath the video for color art products. I definitely love, love, love the Prizm Pours. My paint pouring recipes underneath the video. My email address is under the link tree. The link tree is also under Show More under the video. If you have a question, please feel free to ask me. If you're looking for anything, just ask me. If you're looking for information about a class at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchase of an artwork, use my email address. I have a link. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. I see that little piece of canvas there. It doesn't need to be there. I am going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. You could check this under the light sideways and poke them with something else, like a skewer or a knitting needle or whatever, a toothpick. And I will check before I put it up to dry. Please share my videos. I really appreciate it when you watch them longer, and when you watch the commercials, you help me out. This reminds me of some other things, but it's going to dry magnificently. You wait. I like that there, but I want to put some lines in. I like the colors a lot. So much, in fact. All right, I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Thank you for all your kind words. I said that already. If you are interested in getting in the monthly drawing, it helps support the production of tutorials at the studio. And you can see the prizes for the drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video that I include on the end screen in the last 20 seconds. And you can get into it by being invited through an invitation when you make a donation through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and the link is also in the link tree. I have spring clothing below the video. You can see that, all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts and lots of other cool stuff. If you can't find what you're looking for, ask me, I'll add it. And I have a New Society 6 store on the link tree, which is awesome. Check it out. This is Le Galerist, clothing made in Montreal, which is kind of high-end and worth seeing. Kimono tops and just luxury items. Definitely investment quality clothing. Did I mention Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links were on the link tree? I may have already. 2,300 videos there are when you go to look for them. Don't be overwhelmed and know that I can help you. What am I missing? My paint pouring recipe is underneath the video, and my cell activator recipe should be right there with it. If you have questions, I think I mentioned that already, go ahead and ask them. I love you guys. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery at the very end of her day. This is the last of my paintings. I will talk to you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. See you.